Hey guys, I am back with another DIY. Yay! Okay, so let's get started. I went live and I did Creative Tuesdays, and I redid the Jennifer Lee Fairy Tale Hills. And this is basically what you need: some ostrich feathers, Sharpie Hill, some quick dry glue, gem tack glue, rhinestones that you can sew on, and flat back pearls. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to measure the feathers to the length of your shoe, and you want to make it long enough where you can wrap it around 3 times. Once you wrap it around 3 times, you want to glue it down, sort of like you were making a fan.
Just to keep your style looking fly. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Now let me hear you say style, spot, style, spot, style, spot, style.
Everything check. Check the Ciroc. Check the CD them. Check the mixing board. Make sure that the earphone are right. Check.
Trimming down, you want to glue your rhinestones and your pearls down. I created a pattern, so you can create a pattern to your liking to go across the band of the trim. However, if you decide that the actual shoe have the pearls and the rhinestones on the actual shoe, but because of the style of shoe that I have, I had to put the embellishment along the trimming band of that trim. So that's that.
What we got? What we got? What we got? Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Now let me hear you say style, spot, style, spot, style, spot, style.
Now we want to grab our ankle strap, and we want to put rhinestones going across the ankle strap. Be sure to leave enough room at the end where you can still buckle your strap.
There's not old. Hey, do y'all know this? Y'all just landed on one of the dopest pages you can land on, man. Everything fashion right here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Okay, girl, put that ankle strap to the side, and now you want to pick up the feather trimming and you want to glue it along the band on the shoe. It's coming along real good.
We promise not to waste your time. Now let me introduce you to the style spot. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.